Hi guys, welcome back. You've covered some really important fundamentals now, and that means in this video we can move really quickly, and by the end of it you're going to be improvising in Nhemamusasa and Tadzungaira. If you don't believe me, let's carry on. What we've got so far in our hands is only a slight twist to turn that into our basic Tadzungaira variation. Instead of playing our octave pairs one note apart, we pair up the notes and play it twice. We put the right hand against that, we're playing on the first stroke of the first pair, in between the pair, and on the last stroke. So first stroke, in between, and last stroke. Pop all of those right hand notes that you're already familiar with against all those left hand notes you're already familiar with, and it becomes... and so on. So you've got that down. Well done, everybody. Our cascades now, we can look at those, and it exposes loads of other note options, and we can use cascade note options or the previous note options to open up improvisation opportunities. And I'm also going to give you a little idea for something else that you can practice, and we'll go for that first. So our Nhemamusasa song structure, the octave pairs and the roots and fifths with the cascade. Let's have a look at that. We've got left hand with fifths and right hand cascade. The first note in the right hand is ones. Then we jump up to sixes and down a note, down a note. There's a theme here. Down a note, down a note, and then down a note to the next chord. If you just play parts 1 and 2 of the song, then you're going to end up sort of stuck in this small loop that's beautiful. So this is believed to be the more ancient song structure that's precursor to the larger song structure that we're exploring in this guide. Have a practice of this, just parts 1 and 2, again, again, and again. Excellent. And once you've got that in your hands, it'll be time to move on to adding in parts 3 and 4. Part 3 begins with note 1 here on chord 4. But now we've got a big jump up to note 7. And we're cascading down again. We miss out note 3. And we're back to the beginning. Jump. Miss note 3, back to the beginning, and so on. Let's apply exactly the same idea to our Tadzungaira pattern. And so on. So what happens if we mix that up with our original basic left hand kind of randomly? And our cascade, all basic left hand, cascade, basic left hand, any which way you like. Same idea against our Nhemamusasa structure. Cascade, basic right hand, cascade, still cascading, cascading, basic right hand. You've got loads of different options you can choose from now and mix it up. Really nice. Well done, everybody. Have some fun with that before moving on to our next video.